You do the science center. Okay, high five is good job. High five. And then okay, high five. Yay! Yay! Mwah, good job is okay. So you wanna tell your friends what do you have today? Do you know what is this?
Polish.
A what?
Polish.
Polish?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're close. But this is called baking soda. Can you say baking soda?
Baking soda.
And do you know what color is this?
White.
Good job. And what about this? Do you know what is this?
Blue.
This is green. But do you know what is this though? This liquid thing? Do you know what it is?
Is
You gonna show me?
yeah, water.
It's water. It's look liquid, so it's look water. So you are right. But this is called food coloring. Can you say food coloring?
Food color.
And do you know what is this one?
No, what is this?
It's the same. That's the food coloring too.
Oh,
Yeah.
Daddy, yeah, Daddy's here.
Okay. So now what about this one? What is this? Do you know what is this?
The king now.
It's a volcano, but we are gonna use what is this called? What fruit is this? You eat this fruit. What fruit is this?
It's pineapple.
Really? This is not pineapple. What is this?
Oh, apple.
Apple. You are so silly. Okay, so I'm gonna make you be my big helper. Okay, so you're gonna sit still. Okay, so you're gonna take the baking soda. We can do it together, and then you're gonna pour it in this small containers here. Okay.
Well, let's see what's going to happen.
Yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen.
What's happening?
What's happening? Well, right now nothing is happening right now because we are just putting the baking soda in.
Ah!
Yeah, so let's put the baking soda in here. Yeah, let's put it here. And let's scoop. So we put wait. Gentle. You have to be gentle. So one, let's count one. Wait, there's not two.
I'm doing it by myself.
You wanna do it yourself? Okay, so put in this thing here, right here. Good job. Okay, so now I wanna fill this one. So put some in this cup. This cup. Good.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, so do it and put it here. This one.
This one.
Yeah, so we can fill it. Okay, you wanna put more? Put a little bit more. Good job. So now what we're gonna do now? We're gonna put food coloring in them, okay?
Yeah, let's see what's going to happen.
Yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So you wanna put this? So here, put it. So just squeeze it a little
Oh,
bit.
what's happening?
What color is that? Do you know? What color is it?
Red.
That's not red. Try again. What color is it? It's green. Can you say it loud?
Green.
Green. Good job. So put a little bit here again. Good job. Okay. So now we're gonna use this one, and then we're gonna scoop on those two cups. Yeah. Wait. Let me open it. Mommy, open it, and then you do it. Okay. So now squeeze it. Okay. Squeeze it and put it here. Okay. So do it. Squeeze it. Okay. Like a big kid. What color is that? Do you know?
It's blue.
It's blue. That's right. So that's blue. So squeeze it. Good job. Okay, so now you're gonna mix it with this spoon. You're gonna mix them. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So you mix them.
One.
Yeah.
Okay.
So mix it. Okay. Let's mix it
It
together.
look like dinner.
They look what?
Like dinner.
They look like dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's mix it. So what color did they turn to? What color is it?
It turns to blue.
No. What color this turn to?
Red.
No. What color is it?
Green.
Green. That's right. Okay, now scoop this other one. Scoop this other one. Scoop. Careful. Okay.
Reindeer.
Yeah. So this one is green as well. So let's scoop this other one. Here. You wanna hold the spoon, and then let's mix it. Careful though when you're mixing. You have to be very careful when you're mixing it. Okay.
That's so hard.
So what color this one turn into? What color is this? What color is it? Do you know? It's blue, right? Yeah. Okay, now mix this other one. Okay, mix this one. Mix this one. Okay, mix it. Good job. There you go. Good job. Okay, so now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put some baking soda into this apple. So can you help to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so put a lot of baking soda into this apple, because this apple we are gonna turn into a volcano, right? Okay, so scoop. Yeah, so you have to put it here. Put some. Put a lot in it. Okay, put a little bit more. So it can go right in there.
It looks like a color painter.
It look like a what?
A color painter.
A color painter?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So now we put this here. So now the magic is gonna come happen. The fun part is gonna happen. Do you know what is this?
Water.
It does look like water. But this is called vinegar. Can you say vinegar? Vinegar. So now we don't need no toys right now, because this is super fun. This is super cool. What I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna stand up. Okay? So you stand up, get up, and stand up on your chair. Okay? And now you are gonna pour the vinegar into this stuff right here, and then you're gonna see what's gonna happen. So are you ready? Let me see if this can stand up properly, because it's kind of a little bit. Okay, Ace, so are you ready? So now the magic is gonna happen. So you wanna hold this, no, stand up. I want you to stand up because I don't want it's all right. Hold this. Okay, so now let's scoop here. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Oh, what's that?
Ah, what happened? Okay, let's put. Okay, put here. Wait, put on this one.
Ah!
What happened? They're exploding. Do you see that? And now let's put on the volcano apple. Look at that.
What's happened?
What's happening, Ace?
Oh no, it's going to water like a stick.
Yeah, and what else is happening?
It sounds like volcano.
Yeah, it is a volcano. Do you see that? And let's put here too again and see. Wow! Okay, let's put a little bit vinegar, and then you pour again. You wanna wait? Here, wait. Okay, here. So it stink. That's the vinegar. Okay, now you put.
Oh,
Let's see.
what's happened?
What's happening is?
It's fading.
Yeah. Okay, you wanna hold it? And
Let's
let's
see
do.
what's going to happen.
Wow!
Oh,
So cool.
Wow, it's so not good. Ah!
So can you say thank you to everyone?
Thank you for everyone.
Say loud.
And thank you for everyone.
Okay. Say bye. Say see you next time.
See you next